A very warm good morning, dear students. Dear students, we are just dealing with a chapter called Perseverance Brings Success. That is chapter 8. And here we were just dealing with the life of a big eagle. Okay, it is called a condor, no, eagle. Okay, that is a certain type of eagle. About the specialty of this eagle, we were just discussing, and we had already seen that the chicks of condor, they were not ready to uh, they were not ready to fly. Okay, they were just not knowing how to fly, that is a fact. But when there came a time, okay, to be separated, that time, the mother of the chicks, she started to teach them how to fly, how easy and how enjoyable it is to fly. But they were not ready to accept, and they were not ready to uh, fly. Then lastly we had seen that the mother condor, she lost her patience, and she took them one by one, and then started to pick them, no, and just made them to fall down. So they fell down, and then they suddenly flapped their wings in the mid-air, and they started to fly. So that was the story we were just seeing. And now today we have got one more story, that is about the life of Abraham Lincoln. So Abraham Lincoln was one of the greatest presidents of the United States of America. You know that story also. Abraham Lincoln, he was one of the greatest presidents of United States of America, and his life tells us how one can be successful in spite of repeated failures in his life. So Abraham Lincoln actually failed in many of his attempts, and at last he was successful. There is a greatest story we can see from the life of the greatest leader, Abraham Lincoln. So you can see at the age of 21, he was unsuccessful in business, and he was defeated in a legislative race at the age of 22. So he was defeated at the age of 22. Okay, he was defeated in a legislative race at the age of 22, and he failed again in business at the age of 24. He failed, no, again at the age of 24 in the business, and then he had to leave that also. Again, he overcame the death of his sweetheart at the age of 26. That is also another struck for him. So he had to face all these problems, and he was ready to face with the courage. So that is the story of the life of Abraham Lincoln. So that is the story we can see. He overcame the death of his sweetheart at the age of 26, and he had a nervous breakdown. So he had the problem of a nervous breakdown at the age of 27, and he lost a congressional race at 34, and lost a senatorial race at 45. He again failed in an effort to become vice president at the age of 47. So he failed in his effort to become a vice president, that is at the age of 47. So you can see that in his life, if you take the life of Abraham Lincoln, you can see so many times he failed in all the attempts. Whatever attempts he made, in all the attempts he was a failure. But he didn't stop there. he didn't, what we can say, he did not leave his hope. He was thinking that one day he will be successful, and for that he was working hard. So so that is also, you know, that if the perseverance brings success, that means perseverance in the sense, we will not be living, or we will not be giving up our hope. So instead that we'll be struggling uh, more hard, no, and trying to achieve the success. So whereas that in that way this heading is very much suiting. That's why it is given, perseverance brings success. So you can see that you, in spite of all his failures, he was elected president of the United States at the age of 52. So at the age of 52, he became the president. So if he was losing his hope, and if he was not thinking something positively, he would have not become the president of United States of America. So there is a, for everything there needs a lot of hard work. So that's why you see the life of Abraham Lincoln, that changes. Okay, and this is a great example before all of us, that even if you fail in one or two attempts, we should not give up. That means continuously we have to struggle, then success will be of ours. So that fact we need to keep in our mind, and we should struggle hard. We should work hard to achieve the success. For that we can all try our level best. Okay, so now you see, but his aim was not just to become the US president and thus become popular. Okay, you see, 9 failures and 1 success. It is not how many times he failed, doesn't matter. Nobody asks how many times he failed, but success will be one. Whether he won or not, that is a question everybody asks. So here also the same thing happens, that 9 failures and 1 success. That's a great success too. And he is a very well-known person, no? Just like, not just like other presidents of United States of America, but other than that, he is well-known. He has done all these things not for getting the popularity of fame and name, not for that purpose, but he had an intention. He wanted to show the world that perseverance always brings success. So that is what we can see here. When he became president, the first things he did was to abolish slavery. He tried to abolish the slavery. For 31 years, he had to struggle in his attempts. He had to struggle for 31 years. He had to face all kinds of odds and failures. So he had to face all kinds of odds and failures to achieve such a great success. He had to face all kinds of odds and failures in order to achieve such a great success. So dear students, life has got a purpose, and the ultimate goal of life is to attain happiness. That is the ultimate aim of our life, to attain happiness. Obstacles to come, obstacles to come in your way. With confidence and persistent efforts, you can overcome the obstacles. So always there will be obstacles, problems and difficulties, but with the confidence and with the persistent continuous efforts, we can all overcome the obstacles. If you persevere in your efforts, success will be yours. Okay, hard work is the key to success. Success leads to happiness. So let us not be discouraged by failures. Okay, so let us take that. The answers also. Let us see. Right, true or false. The first one. The mother condor flies down to bring water for the chicks from the ground below. Is it true or false? The mother condor flies down to bring water for the chicks from the ground below. That is true. And again, the mother condor does not take risk to teach her chicks to be confident. The mother condor does not take risk to teach her chicks to be confident. That is a false statement. Next one. When Abraham Lincoln became president, the first thing he did was to abolish slavery. Yes, when Abraham Lincoln became the president of America, the first thing what he did was he abolished the slavery. Fourth one. The ultimate goal of life is to earn more and more money. That is a false statement, right? Then we should never be discouraged by failures. We should never be discouraged by failures. That is a true. And fill in the blanks. Let us see that. The mother condor tries to teach her little ones how to fly. Okay, fly, you can write. The mother condor tries to teach her little ones how to fly. Fly is the answer. She lets the chicks, what will be the fall, F-A-L-L, fall in a mid-air. Third one, the chicks start flapping their wings. Okay, flapping their wings desperately. Flapping their wings desperately. Okay, you are protected, sheltered, fed, clothed, and educated by your parents. Okay, your parents. You can write the answer will be parents. Fifth one. With confidence and persistent efforts. With confidence and persistent efforts, we must overcome obstacles. With confidence and persistent efforts. With confidence and persistent efforts, we must overcome obstacles. Now answer these questions. You can see, how does the mother condor teach her chicks how to fly? So whereas the answer is already there, you can see. She flies near the nest and shows them how easy it is to fly. So she flies near to the nest and shows them how easy it is to fly. Right? That is the answer. Second one. How did Abraham Lincoln become the president of USA even after facing a lot of failures? So that answer you can just give here from here itself. In spite of all his failures, Abraham Lincoln was elected as the president of the United States of America at the age of 52. You just understand that he started his effort very long back. 9 failures and 1 success. But his aim was not to just become the US president and thus become popular. So you can understand. Now, failures are stepping stones. Third question. Failures are stepping stones to success. Explain. So you can just write, life has got a purpose. So you can just take page number 31. That is written, life has a purpose. The ultimate goal of life is to attain happiness. Obstacles do come in your way. With confidence and persistent efforts, you can overcome obstacles. If you persevere in your efforts, success will be yours, is what the chapter is. Okay, so the answers you can just go through all the answers. You need to just write down all the answers to your copies. You should have a separate copy for this moral science. Please see that.